Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is Titi and I'm a hairstylist based in Mississauga, Ontario, here in Canada. So you're welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to take your hair from coily to bone straight using OREALSTEAMPOD 2.0. So guys, this is a device that I just got a couple of months ago, and the device does come in two parts. That's the straightener itself and the pod, that little container right there. So that's where you pour water in order to get steam out of your straightener. Okay, so guys, the device does come with a comb in it. So when you're using it, you want to make sure you detangle your natural hair or your wig, whatever hair you're working with, nicely before going in with the straightener. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let's jump into this video. But before we jump into this video, if you do find this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and share this video, and let me know what you think about this device in the comment section. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by pouring some water in the pod, and I'm going to go ahead to plug it and put the heat setting on 210, which is the highest heat setting. Alright guys, so this is the hair that I'll be working with today, and this wig was sent to me by my client. She brought it for wig laundry and she wants it bone straight. Okay, so guys, there's something I like about this Steampod. It does leave your hair shinier than the regular hair straightener. Okay, I know it's an huge investment, but trust me, if you can get it, you would definitely love the results. It's so amazing. Like, it leaves the hair shinier, looking healthy, you know, like that. Alright guys, so before you start straightening your hair, you want to make sure you detangle it nicely. Okay, that's very important. So I'm going to go in with my coconut miracle oil and also Tresemme Heat Protectant. So the moment we've all been waiting for is here. Boom. Okay, so you want to clamp the straightener onto the hair. Hold it for a few seconds. Once you see the heat coming out, you're going to hear the sound. Okay, also you can hear the sound, and once you see the heat coming out, then you know you're ready to go. Then you just bring it down just like that. Boom. Guys, you see how shiny it's looking? Not just because I use the heat protectant and the miracle oil. Trust me, it's an amazing device. I love it so much. I love it than the regular hair straightener to straighten hair these days. That's what I've been using for my clients, and everybody loves the results. It's amazing. So once you see the heat coming out, then you know you're ready to go. That's it, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to buy this, or if you do have it, do you like it? Do you like the results so far? What do you guys think about this device? Do you think it's worth the money? I think it's it's about $300 Canadian dollars. Do you think this is worth it for a straightener? In my opinion, I think it's worth it. Trust me, it is worth it. So guys, I'm just gonna let you guys watch the amazing results we got from this hair straightener, Steampod, any way you want to call it, but it's Steampod. See how shiny it's looking, guys. All right, guys, so this is the end result. I love it. I love it. I hope you guys do like this video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and share this video. Tell me what you think about this Steampod, guys. Thank you. Bye. I love you. Mwah.